I've been going through it, I think I might just lose it. Going through rejection, staring at the sad reflection. What's with all these hot exits, more than my mistakes? I guess I must be late to this also gloomy fate. It's got me down bad, losing everything I had. Got me caught in my demise with the things that I despise. It's been on repeat, call it my defeat. Losing you with time, now I'm stuck here with these rhymes. I must have been quite cruel to be played like a fool, constantly deceived by the things I once believed. It's gotten to the point where I'm just numb to the pain. Come to terms with the fact that my life will be in vain. Nor thoughts nor emotions when I witness these commotions, losing my humanity bit by bit. And all I can really say is that I'm used to it.